It's starting. Hello, viewers. We're gonna make an episode.
And we'll make it. I'm a girl, not a boy.
She's gonna play as a boy in this, so.
Yeah. His name is Flamethrower, but just call him.
Flame.
No.
Will you just start?
Wait, no.
No, just stop arguing. Stop. No. No.
Your name is Recycle.
My name is not Recycle. Call me Rally.
Yeah, but in this scene, we're going to be called I'm called global warming. She's called the environment.
I'm gonna call it Mother Nature.
Yeah.
Indeed. Anyways, an episode.
I'm global warming. Do not recycle. Make the polar ice collapse. Oh! Who was that? Who's recycling my garbage?
Mother Nature, biatch. Ow, fucker. Can't hit a girl, you'll go to jail.
I am global warming. There's no jail that can keep global warming. Get out of the screen. That cannot keep global warming. Move your face. That cannot keep global warming hold up because I'll burn it. I burn garbage because I'm global. Because I'm global warming.
Good head.
And harmony.
Is that all? Are you done blabbering?
Yes.
Well, I'm not done. Anyways, yeah, that was a lot of work just listening to you talk. Anyways, indeed.
Oh.
Bonjour. Oh shit. Ow! Yes, we all get it. You think you're cool. Ow!
Oh no!
He fell off the bed!
He went back to hell.
He went back to hell. Oh crap, he's back. I'm going to heaven. Oh. I fell on the floor. Oh.
Burn garbage, burn garbage, burn garbage. Burn garbage. Do not respect Mother Nature.
Doggy!
Ah, get out of the way. That's God's dog.
I can't find.
I'm back! Oh. I hate Mother Nature. Oh, God.
Give me that.
Get away from me. I hate Mother Nature. That. I hate Mother Nature.
But the truth is, I got married to you a while back when we were humans.
What?
I'm ashamed. God told me.
Help me, please. My wife. That's my wife, and I think she's insane now. Ah! I'm beating. Wait. I want to show you part of me beating his wife.
Yeah, it turns out I'm his wife.
Right.
Wait. Look at my designs, because I'm sexy. Sexy, can I just get your number? Yeah. Recycle. Okay.
I'm gonna beat you because I'm angry. Big.
You're not supposed to beat your wife!
No, fine.
Are you raping me?
What? I have to because you're my wife.
What? Rape! I just got. Oh my god!
Cool times. Yeah. Flame, hot rod. They coming.
Oh my god! Rape!
No, he's beating you.
No, you're beating me. Yeah, this is great.
I'm going back to hell. See ya.
Bye.
Dun.
Back in heaven. Hi. That man raped me and beat me. No wonder he's back in hell.
Flames are burning The garbage. Rat. The garbage is deflating. I am the devil's dog.
He gets whatever he gets in hell. He deserves it. Oh shit. God said I can't say cuss words, so now I'm going to hell.
Ha ha ha! Oh god, show my face.
So show my face. Hi viewers.
Hi.
Comment, subscribe, please. These are the things you must do to
No,
avoid
don't.
getting raped by me.
You know what? Don't listen to her. And do not comment that I'm a boy. Do not comment I'm a boy, because I'm getting sick of people calling me a boy, okay? I'm a girl.
Bye.
Bye.
That doesn't make people comment.
Sorry, forget that.
That doesn't help either.